OpenAI just dropped GPT 5.4, and the AI world is officially entering a new era. Forget everything you knew about chatbots. We aren't just chatting with AI anymore. We're giving it the keys to our computers. With native computer use capabilities that actually beat human baselines, a massive 1 million token context window, and a 33% reduction in hallucinations, GPT 5.4 is the most professional-grade model we've ever seen. Today, we're breaking down every single detail of the 5.4 update, the new thinking and pro variants, and why this might be the last model you ever need to learn. Let's dive in. First, let's clear up the naming. OpenAI has streamlined the 5.4 lineup into three main categories. First, GPT 5.4 Thinking. This replaces the old 5.2 Thinking. It's the default for Plus and Team users. It's designed for deep reasoning and now shows you an upfront plan of its thoughts so you can course correct it mid-response. Second, GPT 5.4 Pro. This is the Beast mode. Exclusive to Pro and Enterprise plans, it uses more compute for research-grade intelligence. If you're solving PhD-level physics or building complex financial models, this is your model. And third, GPT 5.3 Instant. Released just days prior, this is the fast conversational model for the free tier. It's great for quick answers, but 5.4 is where the real work happens. The holy grail of this update is native computer use. GPT 5.4 isn't just looking at text, it can see your desktop through screenshots and issue mouse clicks and keyboard commands. On the OSWorld verified benchmark, which tests an AI's ability to navigate a real computer environment, GPT 5.4 scored 75%. To put that in perspective, the measured human baseline for these tasks is 72.4%. It can navigate websites, manage local files, and work across different apps like Slack, Excel, and VS Code simultaneously. This turns ChatGPT from an assistant into a digital coworker. Context is everything. GPT 5.4 officially supports 1 million tokens, with some experimental API settings reaching up to 2 million. For developers, this means you can drop an entire code base into the prompt. For lawyers or researchers, you can upload dozens of 500-page documents and ask for a cross-referenced analysis. The efficiency here is key. OpenAI introduced a feature called Tool Search. Instead of the model loading every tool it knows at once, it now retrieves only what it needs. This cut token usage by 47% in complex tasks, making it faster and cheaper than GPT 5.2. If you've been frustrated by AI hallucinations, 5.4 is a major relief. OpenAI reports that individual factual claims are 33% less likely to be false than in previous versions. The most impressive stat? The GDP-Val benchmark. This tests AI against industry professionals across 44 different occupations. GPT 5.4 matched or exceeded human professionals in 83% of comparisons. They've also released a dedicated ChatGPT for Excel add-in. It's not just writing formulas, it can perform three-statement modeling and scenario analysis at the level of a junior investment banker. So, how do you get it? For ChatGPT Plus and team members, you get GPT 5.4 Thinking today, with a limit of 3,000 messages per week. For ChatGPT Pro and Enterprise users, you get unlimited access to 5.4 Thinking and the exclusive 5.4 Pro model. For API developers, the pricing is actually surprisingly competitive. It's $2.50 per million input tokens. However, the 1 million context window is opt-in and experimental, so you'll need to enable it in your developer settings. The release of 5.4 marks a shift in OpenAI's strategy. They are moving away from creative chatting and toward reliable work. With computer use and 1 million context, we're looking at the birth of true AI agents, tools that don't just tell you how to do something, but actually go out and do it for you. The question is, are we ready for AI that can navigate our desktops better than we can? Let me know in the comments if you've tried the new thinking model yet. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.